Hello guys, welcome to Technotech YouTube channel. In this video we will discover how easy and efficient it is to bind your documents like a pro with the Fellowes plastic comb binding machine. This step-by-step demo walks you through the entire process, from punching to binding, so you can create professional presentations, reports, and booklets right from your home or office. Watch now to see why the Fellowes is a top choice for smooth and durable binding. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.